Hey folks, showing you a flip in Nashville today. This is a ranch style home with a huge basement in a very up and coming neighborhood in Nashville. We've seen the home get some staging here, which is very nice. I love these huge windows over here in the living room. And as we make our way into the kitchen, check this out. Wow, how about that ceiling? Definitely a very cool touch there with the beams and everything. Very, very cool. So as we make our way into the bedrooms here in a moment, one thing to keep in mind with these older houses that have been renovated is the bathrooms and closets. Most of the time, they don't really fit what most people are currently hoping for. Here we have the primary bathroom across the hall from the bedroom, which is not really preferred for most people. So here's a look at that primary bedroom and some rather small closets. So, all right, and here we go. We're gonna go into the basement now. So I think what you'll find here is lots of additional space down here. In my opinion, this property would probably be ideal for maybe a bachelor or maybe even an Airbnb, as obviously these bedrooms here, well, they don't really have any closets. They've got some shelving, they do have a window, but no closets. So yeah, hey, what do you think are the pros and cons? Leave us a comment here. We'd love to know what you think. Here we see the garage, very big open space here, and then finally one last bathroom. That's all we got. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.